Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code OE overfill water level quick reset. Fix 1 the hard reset. You just have to turn off the dishwasher using the power button or flipping the dedicated circuit breaker. You just have to wait 5 to 10 minutes then turn the power back on. Attempt to start a new cycle. Fix 2 clear the sump and filter. You have to open the dishwasher door and remove the bottom disc rack. Then twist and lift out the cylindric filter and the mesh filter beneath it. Wash the both filter thoroughly with a warm and soapy water. Check the empty slump area for any standing water or debris. Remove any blockage that may obstruct the drain. Fix 3. Check drain hose and sink connection. You just have to pull the dishwasher out from the cabinet to access the back. Locate the back corrugator drain hose. Check the full length of the hose for pinch, twist or kinks. Inspect the hose connection to the garbage disposal or sink tray. Clear any food waste from the disposal knockout plug. Ensure the hose create a high loop under the sink cabinet to prevent slip hole. Fix 4. Clear the water level sensor breakage. You just have to disconnect the dishwasher from the power. Then remove the left side exterior panel of the dishwasher. Locate the plastic case brake reservoir on the side. Disconnect the small black air tube hose attached to the sensor. Use a compressed air or gently blow through the tube to dishog any debris inside. Thanks for watching.